Hi, welcome to Sage Mind Yoga. My name is Natalie, and today I'm going to be leading you through a short 10-minute gentle morning yoga flow. So for this, no props are required, and we will go ahead and get started in a comfortable seat. So sit in any way that feels good to you, either crisscross, or you could also be kneeling, and we will just go ahead and get started by walking the left fingertips out. Right arm reaches up and over. Little side bend to start waking up through the spine and the back. Inhale through to center, right hand to left knee, left fingertips back, twisting towards the left. And back through to center. This time walk the right fingertips out, left arm reaches up and over. And in this side bend, try to keep both sits bones down on the mat so you're not lifting up through that left hip. Inhaling up, this time left hand to right knee, right fingertips reach back, twisting over to the right. Inhale back through to center. We will go ahead and come to tabletop pose. So just slowly make your way there. Wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Go ahead and drop the belly, lift the gaze, cow pose. And exhale, reversing this motion for cat, arching the back. And going in between these two poses at the pace of your breath. Go ahead and take one more cycle. And come back through to your neutral tabletop. Reach your right arm up, looking up towards the sky. And exhale, thread it under, thread the needle. Your right temple is going to come down towards the mat. Pressing that left hand into the mat so you can kind of twist a little bit deeper. And for each of these poses, we'll be holding for about 3 to 5 breaths. So really get into these poses. So go ahead and take one more here. And inhale, come up, re-extend that right arm and place it back down. We will go to the other side. This time, left arm reaches up, extend, and exhale, thread it through. Go ahead and push up, re-extend that left arm towards the sky, and place it back down. Go ahead and lower it down all the way to your belly with your forearms propped out in front of you for our Sphinx pose. So keep everything pressing into the mat, but lifting through your chest as if you were pulling it through your shoulder blades. And lower all the way down. Bring your left arm across so you can kind of use it as a little bit of a pillow here. Bend into the right leg and bring it in towards your seat. Making sure you're keeping this in line so you're not splaying out through the knee or through the foot. And releasing that, we will take this to the other side. This time, Resting your forehead on your right arm. Bring in your left foot in towards your seat. And exhale, go ahead and let that go. Push yourself up into a wide-legged child's pose. So knees apart, big toes together. Sit your hips back, walk your hands out. Lift yourself back up. Bring your right leg or your right foot in between your hands. Lift up through your back heel, so your knee is lifted off the mat, and just kind of rock front and back in this high lunge, this runner's lunge. And then bring your left palm flat to the mat. Right arm reaches up towards the sky. Easy twist. And then bring your right hand back down towards the ground. Start to walk your right foot over towards your left wrist, coming down into pigeon pose. Extending that left leg out behind you with the toes pointed back. Keeping your weight equally onto both hip bones so you're not leaning too far into one side. And your foot does not have to be touching your wrist. It's pretty hard to do that unless your hips are very open. So more of a bend into that knee is perfectly fine. Does not need to be at the 90-degree angle. Go ahead and lower down if that feels good to you. If not, you could also stay up. Be here for about 5 breaths. Slowly start to bring yourself back up. I like to extend that right leg. Just kind of move it around a little bit. Find some movement, whatever feels good. We'll go ahead and switch sides. So this time, left foot steps in between your hands. Right knee lifts off the ground. In this runner's lunge, kind of rocking forward and backwards in your hips. And now plant that right palm down, twisting up with that left arm. And try to keep your left knee in line so it's not splaying out towards the side. Try to keep it mostly in line with your ankle. Left arm, left hand comes back down, coming into your pigeon pose. And you could either stay up here, or if you did it on the other side, lower down to your forearms. We will be here for about 5 breaths. Take one more big breath in and out. Slowly start to walk yourself back up and just kind of move that left leg around, maybe wiggle it side to side in a windshield wiper motion, whatever feels good. And come to take a seat. Go ahead and close your eyes. Take one big breath in and out. Hands together to touch. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for this short, gentle morning yoga flow. I hope you feel really good and really ready to take on your day. Thank you.